Alright, so welcome to this advanced video on how to embed your own form into the website. Now, you obviously know that the website comes with its own form, but many people ask, can we edit, can we change? And technically, yes, you can, but unless you're really good at programming and web design, I would not recommend it. So what I'm going to do for you today is show you how to embed your own form using a third-party online form service, such as, for example, one of them is Wufoo or FormStack, Zoho Creator, JotForm, and the one that I personally use and the example I'm going to use today, which is a part of Google Drive, it's Google Forms. So I'm going to show you how to embed a Google form, but the same process works for any of these other websites. Simply, you're just going to embed the form, and we'll show you how to do that now. So let's go ahead and open up the website. And if you don't have your website open, or if you forgot how to open it, again, remember, click on Site, select Open, and then you should see your website listed down here in the list. Now for me, I'm going to be using the SunSpark Labs demo website. And so first of all, let's go into the student registration page. There are basically two pages that have forms. We have the student registration.html and the volunteer registration.html. The process to embed your own form is the same for both pages. I'm just going to do the student registration, but you can use the exact same process for the volunteer registration. So let's go in and open the form. We're going to double click. Now right now I'm in, it looks like design view, and what I want you to be in is the split view. You might be in the code view or just design, but we want to be in the split view, so be sure you click on split. And the first thing I want you to do is just go, let's actually take a look. This is the form that comes with the website. It's all pre-programmed, it's all ready to go, but if you want to add your own form, this is how you do it. So let's close that out. Go back into Expression Web. Just click anywhere up here toward the top of the form. I'm going to click right here where it says, did you attend last year? And what that simply does, when I click down here, it actually jumps to that section of the code. And you can see right here, this is the beginning of the form. Right here is the highlighted word. But if I go over here, you should see it says form hashtag student registration. You just click on that. It's actually going to highlight all of the code that relates to that form, and then I'm just going to hit the delete key on my computer. That is going to delete the entire form. Now when I click down here, you'll see the form is now gone. Okay. Now there is one more field. This is a little paragraph field that you will eventually take out, but I'm going to leave it in for now so we can get our place back in the code where we need to go. So let's go to the form. Now what I'm going to do is go into, I have a sample form that I already have built, and it's called VBS Registration Student. I'm going to double click on that, open that form up. So it's very simple if you want to use Google Forms on how to do that. Sorry about that. And essentially what you do is in any form program there usually is an embed feature. So for Google Forms, you click on File, you select Embed, and it's going to give you a line of code that you can actually put into the website. Now one thing I will tell you is that whenever you embed, you want to make sure that the width is no greater than 600 pixels. The way the website is set up, if you go any wider than that, it actually kind of make the website look weird. So be sure you keep that at 600 pixels or less. Most of the embed features have that automatically. And then the height really doesn't matter. Just for this example, I'm going to make this one 1000 pixels. All I do is just change those, and then I click here, right click on it, and select copy. That's going to give me the line of code that I need for the website. I'm going to go back into the website here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this line here. It's going to highlight that. I'm going to right click and select paste, and it's going to put in that line of code from the Google form. Okay, there's the width, there's the height, all that information. Okay, I click down here, takes it a second, and it loads the form. Okay, so let's I'm going to hit save. We're going to save the form once we have embedded that and hit preview. And that's it. You can see that the new form is in place. We've taken out the old form, we put the new form in. It's very, very simple. You can do this exact same process with the volunteer registration, but again, just create your form online, whichever program that you use, whatever website you use. Just get the embedded code that you need. Take that line of code, delete out the form, paste in the new line of code, and that's pretty much it. It's a very, very simple process, but that way you can create your own forms, put them in, design them any way that you want. Again, preferably I use Google Forms because it will automatically save your information into a spreadsheet, which is really nice. So that's it. If you have any other ideas for another video or another how-to video on something you would like to see or be able to do with the website, just shoot us an email at freevbstemplates@gmail.com, and we will try to create a video for you. Again, thank you. Enjoy. I hope this helps out.